Welcome everyone to a new video where I'm going to explain to you a strategy that one of our moderators, Peter, has been trading for a long time. The name of the strategy is the lightning bolt, and you can see a brief description of the strategy and how it looks like in the screenshot right here. The name, the lightning bolt, comes from the fact that this stock has a pattern that looks exactly like a lightning bolt. To trade this strategy, you need a stock that has a clear sell-off or a downtrend below VWAP for some particular time. And looking at this screenshot on BABA around here, you could see that it has made a small downtrend on the 1 minute chart below VWAP. What you need after that is a stock to reclaim VWAP or to reverse all the way to VWAP and preferably above it. Once the stock is above VWAP, you look for a pullback all the way to VWAP. And when the stock pulls back to VWAP, you need a touch of VWAP or the stock to cross below VWAP. Once that happens, you look for a confirmation candle or you wait for the 1 minute chart to close as a confirmation candle, a hammer, a green candle, or a doji if you are looking for a setup to the long side, or vice versa if you are looking for a setup to the short side. In this case, we are looking for a setup to the long side, therefore we want to see a confirmation candle to the long side. You could see right here we had the confirmation candle on the 1 minute chart, which means that we're ready for a long. Once you have that, you play the stock on a new 1 minute high, and your stop loss is so tight. It's the low of the entry candle. That actually gives you the idea that the lightning bolt is actually a scalp trading setup. It's not a setup that you take for a trend. It's not a setup that you hold on for a long time. You get in and you get out fast. Instantly on the second minute or the minute after that, you want to be out or you want to take a lot of partials or a lot of your position already out. You can leave a small position for a bigger trend if, for example, the higher time frames are giving you the confirmation to do so. So let's quickly do a quick replay on Trading Terminal replay feature to see how this trade looked like in the real time. So you could see that intraday BABA has sold down below VWAP and went all the way below it. After that, we're reversing and we are reclaiming VWAP. This is the first confirmation or the first thing that you want to see when you're looking for a lightning bolt setup. You want to see a clear move from the bottom all the way above VWAP. After that, you look for a pullback all the way to VWAP. You basically want to touch to VWAP or a stock to cross VWAP. When I say cross VWAP, I mean that it's going below VWAP, like what's happening around here on BABA, and then a stock reclaiming it and coming back above it. You want to be patient and you want to wait for this 1 minute candle to close. We basically want a bullish candle, a hammer, a doji, or a green candle to confirm long. Once we're having that, and once the candle closes as a green candle, what you want to do is enter on a new 1 minute high. Basically, the 1 minute high is at 87.76. The moment we're going to 87.76 or 87.77, we can play this stock to the long side. What is our stop loss? Our stop loss is the low of the entry candle, which is 87.72. After that, what you want to do is manage your open position, and you want to take partials like I told you so fast. You don't want to hold on into the setup for a trend. 1 minute after your entry, you want to start taking your partials, which is preferably around the high. 1 minute after that, another partial, or maybe all out. If the higher time frames show you that the stock could go even higher, you might want to hold on for a bigger move. If they don't, then you want to bail on the position. So that is basically it. To recap, to play the lightning bolt setup, you need a stock that has been selling down below VWAP or basically getting bought back up if you're looking for a short. After that, you want to see that the stock getting all the way back to VWAP and above it. You then wait for a pullback to VWAP, which is basically half of the lightning bolt setup. You want to wait for a confirmation candle. After that, you get into the long side on a new high. Your stop loss is the low of the entry candle. Your partial is 1 or 2 minutes after, which could also be your final target. You could hold on to this position for longer if the higher time frames allow you to do so. To add more accuracy into this setup, you might want to play it into the direction of the higher time frames, for example the 60-minute chart or the daily chart, but obviously it is not necessary to do so because it's scalp trading setup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see some of my trades, make sure to follow me on Twitter at AymanBBT, and I will talk to you on the next video.